There is a different Arabic word to describe patience according to your context, what you are doing. Allow me to demonstrate, and you will see how mighty this virtue is in the eyes of our Sharia. We said that patience is about what? Restraint. So when you are restraining yourself from excessive indulgence in worldly matters, that patience has a name. It's called zuhd, minimalism. Special name for patience. When, however, your restraint is from a prohibited sexual appetite, that patience also has a name. It's called what? Iffa, chastity. When your restraint is from rage, that patience also has a name. It's called hilm, forbearance. When that restraint is from stinginess, that patience is called jood, generosity. When that patience or that restraint is from food and drink, that patience has a name. It's called sawm, fasting. When that restraint is from lumping your problems on other people and not dealing with it yourself, that patience is called muru'ah, decency. When that restraint is from behaving in a cowardly manner, that patience is called shaja'ah, courage, so on and so forth. So there is a different name for sabr, patience, according to what it is in life that you are doing. Patience will follow you. And a different name applies, and the umbrella term that covers all of it is called sabr, patience.